Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you, my friend, that how to use this steel workbench like in that one, and what are these tools benefits to you. And we can purchase this steel workbench in any this hardware store or then this Amazon.com or eBay.com. Okay, and this workbench really works so that this is like big pliers, but this force is like 10 times more force. Okay, and here we can see this workbench, and this is steel workbench, and this workbench works so that I rotate this bar, and when it is in anti-clockwise, then this compression area opens that way, and then when I rotate that in clockwise, then it goes in deep, and finally this part is closed. An idea is that I install in that area any particle or thing, and then this is in good grip area, and that's this workbench is so excellent tool. And let's go to look at what else we can do with this workbench. And here I have these pliers, and when I compress this thing in that way, and I have like this big nut what I need to open that way, I can generate about this 10 Newton meters force. But then when I install this my bolt in this workbench, then I can generate much more force. Okay, and this workbench works so like that if we have case that I need to open these two bolts, and they are very tight like in my case, and they are big like 1 or 2 inch, these big bolts. How I can use this my workbench? Okay, and then when I like to show you that how to use that workbench, this workbench works so that when I rotate that my bar in this way, then this area where I connect this my bolt or tool or item, then this part becomes wider. And let's go to look at what happens when I rotate this my bar, and we can see this area in here. Step is that I need to open this my workbench, this working area, and then it is good to install this tool in here in this way or then in that way. Both areas are fine. Or then in this way. This is actually good. And now I think that I can start this my job so that when I am planning to separate these bolts, I am planning to now separate these bolts from this bar and this bolt in here. And let's look at how I can take these nuts away in here. And firstly, I think that I can install this nut in this position, and then I compress this my workbench in here. And let's go to do that next. Okay, and now when I am planning to install this my bolt and nut in here, I think that I install this my nut now in this way. And when I install this any tools, the biggest force is in this central area, not in these lines. And then when I toggle and tight this my nut, there is good that I can again add this force. And now this my workbench is like 10 times more force than these my pliers. Okay, and let's go to look at how I can open this, and for that opening I need next is my wrench. Okay, and here I have this 24 millimeter big wrench, and I installed that in here, and let's go to look at how this nut and bolt opens when I rotate that in this way. And this looks that now this my bolt opens very nicely. You can see that this my workbench, it works really well, and in that way I can separate these two very big 1 or 2 inch these nuts. And now this first nut is free, and I release this my workbench, and now we can see that first part is okay, and then I have to separate this part also. And now I have to think that in what way I open that, and now I think that I start this my job so that I install this my bolt in here in this sideways in here, in that way. Let's look at how this works. This is like first, and now I have to tie this well. Now I need to tie this my work really well, because this is difficult part. And now I take my wrench, and I think that can I open that this way? Yes, and in that way this my nut start to open really well. And in this way we can see that how useful this steel workbench is. We can see closer view that how easily I can open this my nut, because this my bolt is between of this huge force, what is about 100 Newton meters or 70 pounds feet. And now I open this nut, and then I can change this my position. Now I can move this my bolt's position so that I install this my bolt now in this sideways, and then I can use my socket. And I take my socket because now it is easier to work. Okay, and now I have 24mm socket, and then I need in here my wrench, or then this my electric tool. Okay, and now this my second bolt opens also in very well, and now I can release this my workbench final bolt in here, and now this job is done and everything went well. Okay. And I like that if you think that this is useful information to you, because now I open these tight bolts where has been happened really that this bolt has been cut because there has been so much force. Okay, that kind of information to you today.